Hi, I'm Stu from ASUS. Welcome to our very latest range of ultra-compact PCs, the Mini PC PN Series. The most striking aspect of the ASUS PN Series is arguably its stylish, ultra-compact design. With a base of just 150mm squared and a height of just 49mm, the PN Series is uncompromisingly compact, taking up the smallest possible space on your desk. A brushed metal finish means it looks classy in any environment, and being VESA compliant, all PN Series devices can be discreetly and conveniently stowed away behind any flat screen display. In terms of performance, we're packing the latest 8th generation processors from Intel, which means you can expect outstanding productivity. An Intel Core i3 processor packs 2 cores which are hyper-threaded for outstanding multitasking. This is backed by DDR4 support for frequencies of up to 2,400 MHz. Despite its small 0.62-liter size, the PN Series offers an incredible array of connectivity. The front panel features a headphone mic combo jack, easy access to a Type-C USB 3.1 port, a USB 2.0 port, plus a Type-A USB 3.1 port that also provides quick device charging. At the rear, we find a comprehensive array of connectivity ports. These include an RJ45 Ethernet port, more USB 3.1 ports, both Type-A and Type-C options, plus both DisplayPort and HDMI ports, offering dual display support. When it comes to system storage and memory upgrades, the unique design of the PN Series makes life as easy as possible. We start by removing the 4 screws on the underside of the device. Then simply slide back the upper portion to gain easy access to the inside of the chassis. From here, it's really easy to install and replace the 2.5-inch drive integrated into the chassis here, as well as the M.2 SSD here and the DDR4 modules you can see right here. As well as a flexible upgrade path, business users will also be pleased to learn that the PN Series arrives backed by the ASUS Corporate Stable Model Program. This provides a host of advantages, including the ASUS Control Center, a centralized IT management suite that enhances enterprise productivity. Customers can also take advantage of stable supply provisioning, custom packaging options, and much more. Welcome to the future of compact computing. Welcome to the ASUS Mini PC PN Series.